Hi there, I'm Ralph, CEO and founder of immoviewer. In this video I want to show you how easy it is to integrate virtual tours into your MLS, into your own web page and into portals, and to generate some pretty interesting leads with it. Now I'm logged into the backend of immoviewer. In this list view I see all the virtual tours I've taken over the immoviewer app. With clicking on this link, I'm activating the virtual tour. For each virtual tour, we are generating an own customer-specific landing page. Here you have your logo, your colors, your own hotspots, and at the bottom you have a logo where the tripod is. To give you some example how it looks, I can show you here a stone bridge customer-specific landing page, a Coldwell Banker, and a Tampa Bay Home landing page. When you're opening the same tour on different devices, the player looks different. I'm showing you now how it looks like when you're opening it with a normal cellular telephone. The player recognizes that the interface is different and an Enter VR mode button will appear. By clicking on it, you can put it into a goggle, a VR goggle, and move around, and by looking to a hotspot it will change the room or the outside view, and you can turn around and put it into VR goggles like that. I tell you, we'll have a great VR experience. To integrate virtual tours into your own website or into a blog, use embed codes. Just click on the embed code of the virtual tour and you have two possibilities. One is that the embed code will open as a pop-up window, and the other one is that it is shown as a player into your web page. If you are a web programmer or a CRM company, we have also APIs to do this fully automatically. Just contact us. To enter a virtual tour into an MLS or a portal, use links. Just click on link and you have three different possibilities to get a link. One is a non-branded link. This is primarily for MLSs because branding is not allowed in MLSs. The second one is a branded version of your virtual tour. And the third one is a link which is private. That means you have to register to enter the virtual tour. You can also invite people directly over our tool to a virtual tour. Just click on Invite User, enter his information like first name, last name and his email address, and send him an invitation. In the email he will see a small preview of the virtual tour and a link to the virtual landing page. He clicks on it and he can enter the landing page like you see here in the example. To generate leads over our tool, you can block certain rooms or virtual tours. Go on Edit Tour, Edit, then you can see the different spots outside, ground floor, second floor. I go here now on outside panorama and I will see all the outside pictures. By clicking on limited access, the tour is limited and he has to register to view the complete virtual tour. Like that I can track him and get statistics, how long he has stayed in the virtual tour and what rooms he has accessed. Here you can see an example of a blocked room. Clicking on the spot, a pop-up will appear and he has to enter his information to access the virtual tour. And we can track his statistics. When you're entering the statistic tool, you have three tabs. One is for registered users, one is for non-registered users, and one is where the user is coming from. When you are in the registered user tab, you just can click on the user and you see which room the user has accessed and how much time he has spent in a room. For example, this person stayed 1 minute in the foyer, also a minute in the kitchen, and goes from the kitchen to the hallway, but the person has not seen all the other rooms. This person has accessed the virtual tour 5 times and was looking pretty a lot around, and this means a lot of activity. He's interested. You should call him because it is a potential buyer. In the other tab, you just see where anonymous users have entered the rooms and how long have they stayed into this virtual tour. And on the third tab, you see where the user is coming from. Here you can see from Zillow, from Google, or from our own website. Use 3D tours to acquire more listing and get more leads over your own webpage.